uh-oh, you crashed your race car, and now your side skirts are all bent up. But don't worry, I have a tool for that. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta set it on your side skirt repair jig as such. You gotta be real careful with these because they got these angles and it's aluminum, so it bends easy. So you're going to hang that lip over the corners like such, and then just give her a nice... See, even the rooster approves. Now my jig isn't exactly true, but that's fine. I can at least see my low points and then hammer away. Well, I had to switch to the more precision unit, but that's good enough. And the paint chips, don't worry about that. That's just weight reduction. Next up, she goes on the car. Got her on, but she's still bent a little out of shape. That's just tucking underneath the quarter. And I ain't about that. And I know this ain't no show car, but professionals have standards. And I'm not a professional. But I do have some washers. It ain't perfect, but I'll take it. It's got proper fitment now. Still a little beat up, but that's okay. I'll probably bend right back into place once I load it on my trailer. Alright boys, let's go racing.